A dramatic piece of battlefield footage from the war in Ukraine is drawing global attention. The video shows a Russian soldier attempting a desperate defense against an incoming Ukrainian FPV drone using an assault rifle. Published online and reported by Censored.net, the footage has been attributed to operators of the Ukrainian Worm Busters unit, part of the 414th Separate Brigade of the Unmanned Systems Forces. According to the report, the video captures the Russian soldier moving across open terrain as a Ukrainian FPV drone rapidly closes in on his position. What follows is a desperate attempt to stop the drone before impact. The soldier raises his automatic weapon and opens fire toward the incoming FPV drone. But the small unmanned aircraft continues its relentless approach. As the drone gets closer, the situation becomes increasingly desperate, and in the final moments captured by the drone's onboard camera, the soldier reportedly throws his assault rifle directly at the UAV. Seconds later, the footage ends with a massive explosion. The incident provides another stark illustration of how small FPV drones have transformed close-range combat across the Ukrainian battlefield. The drone approaches. The video begins directly from the perspective of the attacking drone. From above, the battlefield appears relatively open, with the soldier clearly visible against the surrounding terrain. For the operator controlling the FPV drone, the target is moving. That means the pilot has to continuously adjust the flight path while maintaining a solid visual lock on the target. Unlike conventional artillery or standard aircraft, an FPV drone can be maneuvered directly toward a specific individual or vehicle. This precision capability has become one of the defining features of modern combat in Ukraine. The drone approaches the Russian soldier at low altitude. The soldier appears to recognize the incoming threat. He begins moving quickly across the field while attempting to use his assault rifle against the incoming aircraft. The situation illustrates one of the fundamental challenges created by FPV drones. The target has only a very short window of time to react, and the drone itself is small, fast, and exceptionally difficult to hit with conventional firearms. A desperate attempt to fight back. According to Censored.net, the Russian soldier attempted to shoot down the drone with his automatic weapon. The footage reportedly shows him aiming directly toward the UAV as it approaches. However, the drone continues its trajectory without hesitation. This is an increasingly familiar scene across the war in Ukraine. FPV drones have made it possible for relatively small unmanned systems to threaten infantry, armored vehicles, artillery pieces, and critical logistical assets. Their lethal effectiveness comes not necessarily from their size, but from the combination of a live video feed, precise manual control, and the capability to carry a high explosive payload. For soldiers on the ground, detecting the drone is only the beginning of the problem. They must identify its direction, determine its distance, and react instantly to avoid the attack. In open terrain, finding effective cover can be virtually impossible. The footage appears to show exactly that kind of situation. The Russian soldier is entirely exposed in the open, while the drone rapidly closes the distance. The final seconds. As the FPV drone gets closer, the soldier's options become increasingly limited. Sensor.net reports that the soldier apparently ran out of ammunition. The report states that moments before the drone reached him, he threw his assault rifle straight at the UAV. The action appears to be an instinctive final attempt to interfere with the drone's flight path, but the weapon fails to stop the aircraft. The drone maintains its trajectory, and the footage concludes with an explosion. Sensor.net described the incident as the moments preceding the Russian soldier's death, while attributing the footage to Ukrainian drone operators from the Wormbusters unit. Because the available report does not independently establish every detail surrounding the incident, the circumstances should be understood primarily through the source's description of the video. Nevertheless, the footage demonstrates the extremely compressed reaction time created by FPV attacks. Why FPV drones are so dangerous. FPV stands for first-person view. The term refers to drones controlled through a live video feed, allowing the pilot to see precisely what the aircraft's camera sees. In Ukraine, FPV drones have evolved into an indispensable battlefield weapon. They are comparatively small, highly maneuverable, and capable of flying at extremely low altitudes. That lethal combination makes them exceptionally difficult to detect and engage. Traditional air defense systems are generally designed to deal with larger or much faster aerial threats. An inexpensive small drone presents a completely different tactical dilemma. For frontline infantrymen, the threat is immediate and terrifying. A soldier might hear the distinctive buzz of a drone moments before impact. By then, there may be almost no time left to seek cover. This has created a battlefield environment where concealment, dispersion, and rapid tactical movement have become absolute necessities for survival. The role of Ukrainian drone units. The footage was reportedly released by the Ukrainian Wormbusters unit, which Sensor.net identifies as part of the 414th Separate Brigade of the Unmanned Systems Forces. Ukraine has invested heavily in specialized unmanned formations throughout the war. These units operate various types of drones for reconnaissance, surveillance, artillery correction, and direct kinetic strikes. FPV operators can conduct missions from secure positions located far away from the immediate target area. Using live video feeds, an operator can guide the aircraft directly toward a selected target. This creates an entirely new layer of battlefield reach. Instead of exposing large numbers of infantry to enemy fire, a small drone team can execute a precision strike remotely. The system also allows operators to document engagements in real time, one major reason battlefield drone footage has become such a prominent feature of the information war surrounding the conflict. The incident highlights a broader transformation taking place on the front lines. The modern battlefield is becoming entirely transparent. Drones are constantly searching for the slightest movement. Vehicles attempting to relocate are spotted instantly. Artillery positions are pinpointed, supply routes are monitored around the clock, and infantry moving through open terrain become immediate targets. This means that simply moving fast is no longer enough. Military units must continuously factor in concealment, advanced camouflage, electronic warfare, and total aerial observation. The proliferation of suicide drones has fundamentally reshaped modern warfare strategy forever.